25 question and answers on hormones. What are hormones? Hormones are chemical messengers produced by various glands in the body that regulate various physiological functions. Which gland is responsible for producing growth hormone? The pituitary gland, specifically the anterior pituitary, produces growth hormone, GH. What hormone is responsible for regulating the sleep-wake cycle? Melatonin, produced by the pineal gland, helps regulate the sleep-wake cycle. What hormone is responsible for regulating calcium levels in the body? Parathyroid hormone, PTH, produced by the parathyroid glands, regulates calcium levels in the body. Which hormone is known as the stress hormone? Cortisol, produced by the adrenal glands, is often referred to as the stress hormone. What hormone is responsible for regulating metabolism? Thyroxine, T4, and triiodothyronine, T3, produced by the thyroid gland, regulate metabolism. What hormone is responsible for regulating blood sugar levels? Insulin, produced by the pancreas, helps regulate blood sugar levels. Which hormone is responsible for the fight or flight response? Epinephrine, adrenaline, and norepinephrine, produced by the adrenal glands, trigger the fight or flight response. What hormone is responsible for regulating the menstrual cycle? Estrogen and progesterone, produced by the ovaries, regulate the menstrual cycle. Which hormone stimulates milk production in the breasts? Prolactin, produced by the anterior pituitary gland, stimulates milk production. What hormone is responsible for the development of male secondary sexual characteristics? Testosterone, produced by the testes, is responsible for the development of male secondary sexual characteristics. Which hormone regulates water balance in the body? Antidiuretic hormone, ADH, produced by the hypothalamus and released by the pituitary gland, regulates water balance. What hormone is responsible for the regulation of body temperature? Thyroid-stimulating hormone, TSH, produced by the pituitary gland, plays a role in regulating body temperature. Which hormone is responsible for the feeling of happiness and pleasure? Dopamine, a neurotransmitter that also acts as a hormone, is associated with feelings of happiness and pleasure. What hormone is responsible for the development of female secondary sexual characteristics? Estrogen, produced by the ovaries, is responsible for the development of female secondary sexual characteristics. Which hormone regulates salt and water balance in the body? Aldosterone, produced by the adrenal glands, regulates salt and water balance. What hormone is responsible for promoting uterine contractions during childbirth? Oxytocin, produced by the hypothalamus and released by the pituitary gland, promotes uterine contractions. Which hormone stimulates the production of red blood cells? Erythropoietin, EPO, produced by the kidneys, stimulates the production of red blood cells. What hormone is responsible for regulating appetite and satiety? Leptin, produced by fat cells, regulates appetite and satiety. Which hormone is responsible for the development of sperm cells? Follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, produced by the pituitary gland, plays a role in the development of sperm cells. What hormone is responsible for the regulation of blood pressure? Renin, produced by the kidneys, is involved in regulating blood pressure. Which hormone stimulates the production of breast milk? Prolactin, produced by the anterior pituitary gland, stimulates the production of breast milk. What hormone is responsible for regulating the body's response to stress? Cortisol, produced by the adrenal glands, regulates the body's response to stress. Which hormone is responsible for regulating the body's water and electrolyte balance? Aldosterone, produced by the adrenal glands, regulates the body's water and electrolyte balance. What hormone is responsible for triggering ovulation in females? Luteinizing hormone, LH, produced by the pituitary gland, triggers ovulation in females. Thanks for watching.